rather pour on your hips. Hard and gaze at lifting.
Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Happy Sunday, thanks for tuning in. Today I want to play with the hairdryer, so I'm kind of doing a chaos Dutch pour blowout. I'm doing my art show's coming up for the Christmas holiday, so I want to create some smaller paintings so I can hang more paintings on the wall, because we're going to probably have a smaller space for our show this year. So I want to create, again, some small pieces. So today I'm just working on a 20 by 20. Really excited about the color palette, and I want to maybe squeeze in a smaller canvas if there's enough time. We'll see. All right, I'll be right back. All right, everyone. So I've got a 20 by 20 deep edge gallery wrap canvas. So what I want to do today is, my Christmas show is coming up pretty close, and so I want to make some pieces of some paintings that doesn't take up too much wall space, that I can also hang in the store. So I've got so much inventory to sell that I want to be able to put everything out. So this is a 20 by 20, so it's not so huge. And what I want to do today is just a kind of a rainbowish color blowout. So I'm going to use some reds, yellows, greens, blues, purples, whites, silvers. And I'm just going to give a little bit of a blowout, leaving some negative space up here in the top, hopefully some negative space maybe down here, just sporadically. But just kind of give it that little petal flower shape out and call it a day. So let's put out our titanium white. So because I'm going to keep the negative space here, I'm going to flood pretty much everywhere, but I'm not too concerned with getting everything coated. So let's flood everything out. I like to make sure my edges get coated for sure. That way. So I think what I'll do is I'll start here. This here is, and most of these colors are just leftover paints. So this is my Payne's Gray, Creative Inspirations. This is a little bit of primary green with a little bit of white added into it. Some primary yellow. Come in with a little bit of Dioxazine purple. Got a lot of that Payne's Gray in there. It's spreading. Here's some 24K gold. This is a little bit of Napthol Red with some Azo Orange. And I'm going to add a little bit of silver. Ooh. Okay. Let's give it a blow. right. I like what's happening here. Really nice. I got a little bit like a river and with some negative space. I'm digging that. Silver, everything comes in. Probably a little too much paint, but I think we're gonna be okay. I don't think I'm gonna get any cracking. Everything seems to be blown out well. It's selling up really nice too. I like my little corner over here, negative space. Just breaking that up just a touch. We're getting a lot of lacing. Really cool blending of the colors. Love it, love it, love it. All right, I'm gonna torch and I'll bring you guys down. All right, here we are with the wet result. I like the flower petal blowout. It's got negative space, not too much. I think this will be really cute to hang in the store. Of course, if anybody wants to purchase it, they can always purchase it directly. But look at that. All right, I'm coming back. I've got a little 14 by 14 and I wanted to go back to old school Dutch pours where you flood your canvas, put your colors on, put a little color of the base coat around the colors and blow it out, leaving negative space everywhere. So I thought I would kind of go back since this was a short little video, I would try this out. So I'm gonna flood out my canvas here with a light purple that I used earlier. Let's blow it out. So I'm gonna start off with, right here in the center, we're gonna do some of that Payne's gray. Some green. A bit of gold. Yellow. Orange, red. A little bit of silver. And some purple. All right, now I'm gonna take a little bit my base coat here. I'm gonna go old school, blow it back, and then out. Cute, a little burst there in the center, like that. Ooh, it's really selling up cute here. I like it. The colors are spread out through here. I love how it kind of concentrates here and then just fans out. Really nice, like my negative space. Let's give it a torch. I think what I want to do is I'll do a different color base coat sometime, but use these same colors. I love this concentration of color in here though. All right, I'm gonna bring you guys down. All right, we'll see how this one dries, but it looks so cute. All right, everyone, that is it. So the pieces are not dried, but I can see them here and they are drying well. So hopefully when I get back from work, they will be all set and I can show you the dry results. So everyone have a great rest of the weekend and I will see you guys next week. Bye-bye.